Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to recreate the viral Dai Dai Shakira dance with AI. No dance skills needed. So in here, you can recreate dancing using AI in just a few clicks. So let's get started. First, just open PixVerse. You can use either the websites or the mobile app like this. And then log into your account. You can use your Google account. And don't worry about the credits. PixVerse will provide free daily credits, and so you can try this effect without spending anything. And once you are inside this pic first, just go to templates, this one, and then in here just tap on the football legends, and then just scroll down until you find the Dai Dai challenge, Dai Dai dance, this one, and then next just tap on it, and then tap in, and then in here just upload the image that you want to animate. This can be a selfie, a portrait, or even a picture of friends, and make sure the photo is clear like this. And then after uploading your photo, just simply tap on create. It will take 50 credits. Just tap on it, and then next just go back, go to mine, and then just tap on the video, and then just wait until the process is done. And okay, like this, your video is ready. Let's just take a look. Okay, like this, you can see it because we'll automatically animate your photo and recreate the viral Dai Dai Shakira dance for you. And no dance skills, no motion capture, and no complicated editing required. And I think the results are surprisingly fun, and it's so natural and can make it look like you are actually performing the dance yourself. The gesture, the move is so natural, and I think it's perfect for creating entertaining social media content, sharing with friends, or joining the excitement around World Cup atmosphere. And okay, that's it. Just try it yourself. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.